Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes. Today we're going to talk briefly about using blues notes on the saxophone. When we talk about the blues, we generally think of lowering notes rather than raising them. If we take the key of G major, I'm on the alto saxophone here today, so the key of G major on the alto sax, the first three notes would be G, A and B. Now, if we alter that third note B by flattening it, lowering it one semitone, our first three notes now become G, A, B flat. Now, automatically you can hear the cry of the blues starting to be introduced into that sound. It's a really powerful thing when you start lowering the third note in a major scale. It's the basis of the blues. Let's go up the scale a couple of notes further, up to the fifth note. So normally that would be a D. So G, A, B flat, we'll do the flattened third, then the fourth and then the fifth. G, A, B flat, C, D. Now, if we're playing the blues, we can also experiment with flattening the fifth note. So instead of playing the D, we now play a D flat. More of the cry of the blues. It just instantly wants to play itself. It's a very interesting sound when you flatten the fifth note and the third note. Now finally, if we flatten the seventh note in the key of G, that would have been F sharp. If we flatten F sharp a semitone, it becomes F natural. So I'll now play a scale that has a flattened third in it, a flattened fifth, and a flattened seventh. I'm going to leave the fifth in the scale in its original position. It's most important when you're playing the blues, or any music for that matter, to not fall into the trap of just running your fingers up and down a scale. Don't have any preconceived ideas of the melody or the improvisation that you want to play. Just let your heart, your mind and your soul work out instantly what you hear. You will find as you practice these flattened notes, the flattened third, the flattened fifth and the flattened seventh, that your mind will want to go into those directions when you're just improvising. It'll just happen. So experiment with the flattened third, the flattened fifth, and the flattened seventh. They are the foundations of the blues, and the saxophone is a fantastic instrument to have some fun with the blues on. Bye for now.